Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Steps Towards Crafting. So in today's video I am going to continue with the basic knots. So today I am going to teach you half hitch knot first. So in this knot what we have to do is we have to take a working cord, it can be right or left side, and from the other side of cord we have to make a loop like this and pull it out, and we have to repeat this process over and over again. So basically what will happen, you will be like getting a twist in this rope knotting style, and yeah, so this is half hitch knot. Now I am going to tell you how to make double half hitch knot in the horizontal way. So basically when you have a couple of when you have a lot of cords and you want to like basically close the endings, generally it is used in that, and make a lot of other patterns as well. So you have to take like one knot as a working cord and take one rope at a time and make half hitch knot twice. So that is why it is called double half hitch knot. And in whatever direction you will keep your working cord in, it will be like the design will be taking that shape only. So in this particular tutorial I am taking the working knot in the horizontal position, and using the first rope I have made half hitch knot twice, like it is called double half hitch knot, and I am repeating the process with all the other ropes. This knot is also known as clove hitch knot or double half hitch knot. So yeah, so in this way we can like acquire a pattern which is like horizontal in using the double half hitch knot. Quite a useful knot in macrame because it is used in making a lot of patterns, like leaves can be created using this, and the ends of the sling bags can be made using this, ends of the wall hangings can be made using this. So yeah, the next knot which I am going to teach you is diagonal double half hitch knot. So it is basically double half hitch knot in the diagonal way. So just previously we had done it in the horizontal way. Now I am keeping the working cord in the diagonal direction and repeating the process. So observe this knot very carefully, and it is very easy, very cute knot and very useful. The next knot which we are going to learn is barry knot. So to make a barry knot we have to make square knots. So in the previous video I had taught you how to make a square knot, and I am going to make 3 or 4 square knots first. So this is first square knot which I have completed. To watch how to make a square knot in detail, kindly visit the previous video. I will be sharing the link in the upper right corner, and you will be able to understand like how to make a square knot. So to make a barry knot I have created 3 square knots over here. So this is the third square knot which is completed. Now what I am going to do is I will be taking the middle 2 ropes and taking the open ends of it, and I will be inserting it on the top of the first knot from the loop, and pull it out. So yeah, so in this way this berry sort of structure will get created. And now again I am going to create a square knot just beneath this berry knot. So in this way this berry knot is created, and it is used in like making designs, also the closing of the purse, gathering knot. So the last knot in this series I am going to teach you is gathering knot. So whenever like you are making a plant hangers or things like that, you may have to like close the gatherings. So for do so, you have to make a inverted U from a rope like this, okay, and then you have to circle the other end around the gatherings. 3 or 4 circles will be enough. You have to like tie them very tightly and do it 3-4 times, okay. And once that part is done, there is a loop beneath the loop has been created. You have to like put the rope inside that loop. I will be showing it now like this, and then pull the upper thread to make a knot which will go inside the gatherings, and it will not be visible, and it will be really clean to tie all the gatherings together. Now you have to cut the upper and lower thread, this and the above and below thread, and it will be done. So I hope you enjoyed this series. Thank you for watching.